Hello, this is the Pompeii weave by Brian Eric Caja from Paracord.com. And this is for Jim over at Paracord On. Okay, the first step is these two will be the base color. They are pretty much not seen in the belt, and they usually stay neutral colors. I usually like to use black. These will be the length of the belt. And this is color 1 and this is color 2. And in this belt, as you can see, green is the color 1, black is the color 2. And the black base ones, you do not see the two cords that run the length of the belt. They're just the core strands. Okay, step 1. You're going to take the left cord on this side and put it over. Now these cords you're going to have to put out of the way. You'll only be working with 4 at a time. Take the left one, you're going to put it under that cord, and then you're going to take the pink one and it's going to come over this cord and go over that one. And then this is going to go up through here, and they are linked, and this one, the blue, is going to come over and go down. Now I use an under-over pattern just because it makes it easier for me to understand it. If you go under, you're going to go through and go back down under and finish. And when you link through, you go over this cord on this side, you're going to come up through underneath and come up. So it's like over, under. So then you're going to pull them together and tighten them up. It takes a while to cinch them. You need to, I'm going to try to do it real quick here. And on the other side, you can put these on the side. And you can have these 4. Now on the other side, this is going to be mirrored from this side. If this one is under and this one was over, it'd still be over and under. So then we're going to go over this cord. And you're going to take the blue one and you're going to go underneath, and they're going to cross in the middle between the two black ones. And this one goes over, this is going to come underneath and up and through. So it's over and up. And the blue one will come over and down through. And the pink one goes underneath and up through. And you pull them tight. Do this real quick here. Okay, now you're going to bring the other ones back down, and we're going to reverse what we just did. I'll show you in a minute here. Okay, so you're going to take, every time these two middle cords are going to come up, you're going to cross them. Now you can cross them this way or this way, it doesn't matter. If you do, try to stay uniform with it or switch them up, whatever you want to do. You can do 2 cross one way or cross the other 2, you know, 2 whatever. So you're going to cross these, and now you have like this. So you can come back to this side, and this was under and over. Now you're going to do over and under. So you're going to put this one over. This one goes under. I'm going to bring that up through and out. And this one will go up this way and down through there. And you pull them. You'll know you got it right because it'll look right across there the way it looks. And you keep pulling. And that's how it will end up looking. You have to keep tightening it up, but I'm going to try to do it quickly because of time. Just keep cinching it up and tightening it up. So now you're going to take these 4 that you just worked, put them on the side. You don't have to all the time, but that way, for this purposes I will. And now we're going to go under and over. So this is going to go under, over, they cross, and you're going to bring that one up through. Always make sure that these 2 cords are in the middle of the black ones. It's very important. So if this one goes over and out, this one should go over and down, under, down. And you pull, you'll see when it's right. If it's not, you'll know it pretty much instantly. You can have to redo it. Just tighten it up. Okay. Now, excuse my messiness. Okay. And when these 2 cords are down in the middle, you want to keep them separated. And I'll show you why in a minute. Now you're going to take this one, the inner one, and you're going to do, I guess, a half a cobra, a half hitch, like that. Tie it up. Same with the other side. The pink one is going out. Okay. Let me tighten them up a little bit more. The more you get into the belt, the easier it does to stay tightened. Now these 2 are up again, okay? So you're gonna cross them. So now we have back to the over and unders again. So now we're going to do over. And don't worry, I'll put up a thing so you know what the pattern is, so it's easier. So it's over, under. The over one comes up underneath and comes up through. Keep them in the middle, these 2. And this one, if that one goes over and up and through, this one is going to come, remember it's down. Goes up. Remember that part is down. It's easy to remember that like that. And we're going to tighten them up. You start to see the pattern show up. Okay, you want to take them, put them on that side. Now we have this one. We're going to go under and over. This one's going to come up and go up, over and up through there. Remember the under one comes up around and goes down through the hole. Because it's under, so it's going to be under when it's finished. Tightening that one up. Okay. Now I'm going to show you why when the 2 middle ones are down in the middle, why it's important to keep them separated. Now when they're down in the middle and you're not making an X on the top, I'll show you when I flip over, you'll see that there's a pattern started on each side. And that's why you want to keep that uniform, keep them separated. And you're not doing an X on this side. Like that. Okay, then we're going to go under and over, and I'm going to start to go a little bit faster just so you can show you the pattern here. Go like that. Oops, I think I messed that one up. Okay, go under and over, and the under one's going to come over, go down through, and the over one needs to come up and go up, over and up. And see what this does is creates the pattern for the X's to come up in the middle and creates these nice little design that shows up. tighten it up. So now you have an up one, it's going to be an X. Okay, now we're going to do over and under. I'll bring that one up through, and that ends up under. That's how I try to remember that. So it goes over and up. I want to say thank you to Brian for this. It's a really nice design, and I love my belt, and have a lot of compliments on it. Okay, now we got the ups again in the middle. So we're going to cross. And now we're going to go bring the pink ones back in, so to the middle. Because see, it's a diamond pattern and have to come back in. So you bring it over and up and through. And I have 5 minutes left on the camera, so I'm going to try to hurry this up a little bit. You can do the same thing, I guess half a hitch, and take this. That way, and then make the blue on the outside again. Okay. And then you're going to repeat the steps again. From that point on, you're going to start it back at the beginning. And this is what you will get. So the first one, and I will show you the pattern, Jim, my under over, so you can, I'll show it to you on Facebook. Alright, thank you.